Hello and welcome back. Here we are tackling the require exercise in this episode. Now, you see it says use require to limit the length of the tweet to only 280 characters long. So, I forgot to show you something in the last few lessons. Now, here is Remix AI Copilot, which essentially gives you suggestions as you write your code. So yeah, let's tackle this challenge. It says if tweet length is less than or equal to 280, then we are good, otherwise we revert. So we can use the require keyword to say perfect. So you can see here the auto suggestion that this Copilot AI is suggesting for us, which we just turned on. But honestly, I don't like it, especially since I am fairly new to these things, and I really love writing code at this stage. So I think I like to think and figure things out myself at this point. So that's why I have been using it. I have not been using this Copilot AI. So I'm turning it off, but you can leave it on if you like. But my advice to you will be, if you are starting, if you are a beginner, then please don't use this AI. Otherwise, it's not going to let you think for yourself. So yes, require this tweet dot length has to be less than or equal to 280. Okay, this is the first parameter, but you can see we are getting an error here. Let's hover on it because length not found. Yes, so this is not like JavaScript, although the syntax is similar, but you can't do this with Solidity. So what you need to do instead is, you see it, Nas gave us a hint that you should use bytes as the length of the tweet. So we need to wrap this in bytes, this tweet. So convert this to bytes. So now this would work. You see, there's no more error. And when we try to test this, it will essentially work. Give me a 600 word article, lorem ipsum. So yeah, it's generating it. While it's doing that, you see we have compiled our code. Now let's delete this, that too, deploy again, deploy this, and now let's try creating a tweet. Hello, let me drag this up. Create tweet. You can see it ran successfully. Now let's get this. Good. Let's copy this. And if everything goes well, then it should give us an error because this is too long and it's way more than 280 characters. So yes, let's paste this in here. Create tweet. Exactly, so you can see it says transact to Twitter, so it failed. Error, too many arguments, essentially too many characters. So yes, this is the solution for the Twitter require exercise.